Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have got an amazing idea to make a DIY candle holder using dried flowers only. You can either use a ready-made dried flowers or use homemade ones that I am using here. Apart from this, all you need to have is a fevicol. You have to mix a little bit of fevicol and a drop of water and mix everything very nicely and just apply it like I am doing here. After letting it dry, add the same fevicol and water mix on top of the flowers and again set it aside for a few minutes. At last, use the varnish to lock everything and you are done.